Hello, stray dog. So, well, welcome back to another video. These dogs are barking all night. Hey, come. Let's go. And I'm currently in my grandma's house in Sri Lanka. And apparently there's some eggs, like some peacock eggs. So let's see if we can spot them. You can hear some peacocks already. Dog following us. Doggy. Dog. Someone's birds here. Feathers. So the eggs have already hatched. So oh. Egg, peacock egg. Whoa. Peacock eggs. But there's no owner here yet. But that's the peacock egg. There's a bird there. It's flying. In Sri Lanka, like, they're very small birds, but they're very colorful. There are many bird shops here. And they're leaving a nest. Oh no. Wait, did the dogs? Did the dogs like do something to the eggs? Did the dog do something to the eggs? Huh? See? I'm like, oh, looks like a peacock. That call is a peacock. Wait, what? Wait. If it's not here, then... Oh, no. Here it is. Peacock's just screaming. New trees. Oh, you have to see bed in that. Here are the blackbirds again. Where did the other dog go? Then the one time that I saw like this beautiful bird when I was on a motorcycle, but I told my uncle to stop, but he didn't. He couldn't hear me. He's a very nice person here. So, where are these peacocks? I think they're in my paddy fields, but I want to find like. Okay, you cannot tell me that does not look like a way of walking, but it is not. Unfortunately, it's something called a layered tail, a layered parakeet. It's fully green. It's quite cool. Loads of birds. Nope, don't fucking. Don't focus on my face. Those birds. No. What's common in Sri Lanka is that most birds are like really small, but they're also really colorful. The only big bird that you find here is a peacock, and like this fin from which looks like it came out of the Cretaceous period, and also. And I'm talking about like that white and black fin. I don't know what it's called, but it's big. Peacocks normally come into my land. Yeah. Oh my god, I almost let it up. Peacock, where are you? Peacock! 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 Oh, butterfly. And Peacock! No response. All I hear is just something that usually. Oh, look at who the bird is that. I feel like that bird is like from Sri Lanka, but like I feel like every bird in Sri Lanka just looks like Australian birds and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, thank you. But until then, make sure to like, subscribe to all the good stuff. I'll talk to you guys later. But until then, goodbye. It's a beautiful day in the bird world. Peace.